Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best leather seat covers on Amazon. You may love your car, but over time it's easy to get tired of some of its qualities. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Luckyman Club Set of Covers. This set of 5 seat covers from the Luckyman Club is designed to fit sedans, SUVs, and trucks. They are made of wear-resistant and waterproof PVC leather for durability, and the covers provide a secure fit that won't damage the upholstery underneath. They are compatible with airbags and don't encumber your seat belts for safety. They also have pockets for storage, stay firmly in place, and cover areas on seats that experience the most wear and tear. One drawback is that the headrest covers may be a little big or loose on some types of seats. What we like about it: airbag compatible, secure fit, wear resistant and waterproof. What we don't like about it: headrest covers may be a little large. Back seat covers can be a challenge to install. Securing straps can loosen. Number 2. Pick Auto Mesh and Leather Universal Fit Car Seat Covers. Custom fit seat covers are nice, but sometimes you just need something to protect your seats. When protection is your goal and you're not hung up on high-end design, the Pick Auto Mesh seat covers should be on your radar. They come in a full car seat and offer a good fit, despite being universal. They come in a variety of colors, including several two-tone options, and Pick sells high and low back variants. The covers fit folding rear seats, and Pick says they're designed to work with heated seats. Most buyers report having an easy time with installation, and Pick offers an instructional video that makes the process easy. That said, you get what you pay for, and some buyers report that the Pick covers arrive damaged out of the box. What we like about it: affordable, easy to install and clean, several color options, including two-tone. What we don't like about it: sometimes they arrive damaged. Universal fit isn't truly universal. Back seat cover can be tough to get a good fit. Number 3. Oasis Auto OS 007 Seat Covers. These automotive seat covers from Oasis Auto are made of leatherette material, and they're available in several colors including tan, black, and gray to match the inside of your car, SUV, or truck. They feature a universal design and fit most seats, such as 4-door sedans, 2-door coupes, and pickup trucks. These covers go over the entire seat and are water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and built to last. We like that these covers are sturdy and stay put when you move in and out of your vehicle, and the instructions are easy to follow. What we like about it: won't budge when you get in and out of the vehicle. Padded and cushioned for comfort. Attractive design. What we don't like about it: installation can be time-consuming. Color may transfer onto your clothing. Number 4. EKR Custom Fit Full Set Car Seat Covers. These leatherette car seat covers from EKR look and feel almost like they came with the car from the factory. They offer 4-layer construction with thick foam padding and a water-resistant design. EKR sells the custom seat covers for specific vehicles, so you'll need to make sure you're buying the right model. The model-specific design also means that installation can be a little more difficult, as the fit is snug. Some customers also report that the included directions are useless and note that the company's instructional video is the way to go. What we like about it: several colors are available. Could almost pass for a factory. Durable and comfortable. Solid custom fit. What we don't like about it: poor instructions. Expensive. Installation can be tough. Number 5. Behoyao B003 Car Seat Cover. Behoyao's car seat covers offer great quality and a detailed design that can really amp up your car's interior vibes. They're available in a two-tone black-red color combo and feature useful seat back pockets for small item storage. The covers feature 5 layers with waterproof synthetic leather on top and 2 layers of foam padding. The company says the foam used is dense and helps the covers maintain their shape over time. The B003 covers come in a full car set, and they're designed to work with seat belts and airbags. Installation should be relatively painless, though some customers disagree with the company's assertion that it should only take 20 to 30 minutes. That said, the covers fit well, despite being universal, and many people report that they exceed expectations on quality and longevity. What we like about it: high quality and waterproof. Good fit for universal sizing. Well padded. What we don't like about it: installation can be harder than advertised. Some report defective covers out of the box. Only available in one color combo. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.